Good afternoon, Cutting Edge Flooring Services here in Anderson, Ohio. We're making continued progress on this house here. Remember this whole area that had the sheet flooring that we had to demo out? This is all gone now. You guys have installed that. We're working on final touches in the kitchen area, installing this last section here, and then tomorrow we'll finish putting on all the baseboard, caulking the baseboard, and Adrian will wrap up the stair treads here. We're putting on white oak stair treads right now, and then you can see baseboard is going on up here, and then we are going to sweep all this up, get it all nice and clean for the customer, and wrap everything up tomorrow. So looking beautiful. This will be another perfect job by Cutting Edge Flooring Services. If your house is in need of flooring, give us a call. We can definitely help you out in getting a great new look throughout your house. Cutting Edge Flooring Services. Good rainy afternoon here in Cincinnati, Ohio, on the east side of town in Anderson. We're getting real close to wrapping this job up on our fourth day here. We demoed all of the existing flooring and replaced it with this new flooring. You guys are doing caulking and touch-ups on the baseboards, put some trim on in the kitchen area. And then we will be wrapping up this job once we get everything swept and cleaned up. Give you a quick peek of the upstairs area. We put on the new treads. Beautiful. These are actually got a nice front profile on them. It's a retread. Put the piece of stair nose on there. Guys are putting the last of the flooring in this little bathroom here. That all fixed up and done. All right, Cutting Edge Flooring Services, give us a call if we can help you with your floors.